the solution to finally understanding the Turkish grammar. Continue this video if you need to start learning Turkish but you are afraid of the grammar part, which is totally different from the English grammar. You've started learning a while ago but still don't understand the Turkish grammar and you feel lost. You're afraid that it will take you forever to understand Turkish grammar. And finally, if you aren't confident enough to speak because you don't know if you will use the right suffix. I understand your feelings, which is why I am presenting you with the first Turkish courses that explain the Turkish grammar in its smallest details. It is a step-by-step explanation where you will finally understand the grammar of the Turkish language. Have a look of what the participants had to say about my Turkish grammar courses. Have you heard or read this saying before? After you invest in these Turkish grammar courses, you will save months of trying to understand the Turkish grammar, and only then you will have taken a step closer towards achieving your aim, which is learning Turkish faster and efficiently. For this reason, click on the link below to get the full access details of my two Turkish grammar courses for levels A1 and A2.